Totally. So I heard your.
My knowledge that was given to me by my ancestors.
So your way through the mud and get across the bulrushes and navigate through the bulrushes. These are the hoops. They're made out of maple, and you soak them for a few days, and then you can steam them. And I steam them with a pot and a tube over the fire.
Swallowing can also translate to heart, so it's like good heart, so good feeling.